Hi, boys and girls. Today, our lesson is called Number Grid Exploration. It's lesson 413. Let's go over our at-home learning reminders. Remember to find a quiet spot to do your best work and to have a positive attitude. Say, I can do this. Good. Say, I can try hard things. That's right. Remember to listen to the entire video. If you need to, you can pause the video to do a break, to give your mind a break and your body a break. But remember, it's important to listen to the entire thing so you know what to do when it's your turn. Next, make sure you try your hardest. We don't ask that you know everything and that you're perfect. We just ask that you try your best. And to keep your materials together. Okay, the only material you'll need today is your Turn and Talk partner and your hundreds chart. Remember, you have a white folder that looks like this. Inside it, you have a number grid. You'll need that later on. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. Remember, we are going to begin math with calendar. We're going to count the green rectangles to find out what day of December it is. So repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number comes after 7? That's right. That number is 8. Can you say 8? Good. I will move the 8 over. Now we have been in December for 8 whole days. Remember, when we do calendar, we want to circle the day of the week it is. Let's read today's date together in the next slide. Say today is December 8th, 2020. Good. Let's read the days. Say today is Tuesday. Say yesterday was Monday. Say tomorrow is Wednesday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good job, friends. Remember that this month is called December. Can you say December? That's right. And the season is still fall. Okay, instead of counting to the number of days, instead we are going to count by tens to 100. Let's practice. Say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good. I'm going to bring in our hundreds and tens and ones basket. Let me move it down so you can see better. Yesterday, we had been in school for 79 days. There's a 7 here because there are 7 groups of 10. And there's a 9 here because there are 9 ones. Boys and girls, what number comes after 9? That's right, 10. So I'm going to erase the 9 and write a 10. Wait, can 10 ones go in here? No, you know that when you get to 10, we have to bundle. Let's sing our bundle song together. Say bundle, 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 bundle. Good. I'll count these to make sure we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll take a rubber band and we'll put it on our bundle of 10 straws. Where will this bundle go now? That's right, it moves over to the tens place. So now let's count how many bundles of tens we have here. Remember, when we count the tens, we have to count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 80 tens. So there's 8 groups of 10. Does this 7 still work for us? No, we need to make an 8. Okay, we have 8 groups of 10 in the tens place. And how many straws do we have in the ones place? That's right, 0. Boys and girls, you have been in kindergarten for 80 days. That's a lot of days. Let's move this out of our way. Good, and let's move on. Okay, we're going to read our objective. Remember, when we read our objective, I go first and you repeat after me. Say, I can. Explore the hundreds chart. Good. So boys and girls, today we will be looking at our numbers chart, our 100 grid, and we have some big idea questions. Our first question is, what do you notice about the numbers when you go from left to right? And can you count on from any number? What do you notice about the numbers when you go up or down? The hundreds grid. We'll get into those questions as we move on. But first, let's start with a song. So if you're sitting down, stand up.
Ooh, I'm gonna tell you. Ooh, let me tell you. Well, let me tell you about the hundreds chart. When you're counting, it's a place to start. Start at 1 and count up 1 by 1 till you're at 100 and you're done. Move left, and it's 1 fewer. Move right, and it's 1 more. Jumping down the column gives you 10 more than before. Count by 10, by 5, or count by 2. Watch for patterns as they come in view. Now you know about the hundreds chart. Using it to count is just plain smart. Using it to count is just plain smart.
Good. Like they said, using a numbers grid is just plain smart. That means it's a tool for us. Okay, I'll go first. First, I'm going to practice counting by ones to 100 and then by tens to 100. I'm going, you're watching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So first you can count by 1, starting at 1, all the way to 100. Then you can also use a numbers grid to help you count by tens to 100. We practiced this last week. Let me go back because I didn't mean to do that. I'll count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now I can practice finding what number comes before and after a number. First, I'll show you how to find a number that is 1 less. I'm going to move you in a little bit closer so you can see my hundreds chart really well. Okay. Now, I'm going to pick the number 7. Do you see the number 7 right here? I'm going to find the number that is 1 less than 7. The number that comes right before it is 1 less. That number is 6. So I can say 6 is 1 less than 7. Let's try another number. I'm going to pick 20 this time. The number that comes right before 20 is 1 less. That's 19. Now I can also find numbers that are 1 more. That's the number that comes 1 after it. I'm going to try with the number 8. The number that comes right after 8 is 9. So I can say 9 is 1 more than 8. I can also try with really big numbers too. Let's try with the number 54 down here. The number that comes 1 after it is 55. So I can say 55 is 1 more than 54. Okay, now let's practice together. Can you find the number that is 1 less and 1 more than another number? Let's practice with, let's move you back so you can see. Let's practice with 1 less than 17. So first we have to find 17 on our hundreds chart. That's a 1 and a 7. Oh, here it is. Do you see 17? Now to find the number that is 1 less than it, we have to look to the left. That's right here. What number is 1 less than 17? Find your turn and talk partner and tell him what number is 1 less than 17. That's right. Give me 5. 16 is 1 less than 17. I'm going to write it in the box. Let me go back 1 and write it. Okay, in this pink box, I'm going to write the number 17. Very good. Let's try another one. This time, let's look at this one. 1 more than 20. So first, I want you to look closely at the hundreds chart. Can you find the number 20? I found it. Here is the number 20. Now find the number that comes 1 more, that's 1 more, or right after 20. Turn and tell your neighbor, which number do you think is 1 more than 20? You guys have great ideas. Stop and give me 5. My friend Alundin is raising her hand. Alundin, what number do you think is 1 more than 20? She thinks 17 is 1 more than 20. Let's look at the number chart together. Okay, here's the number 20. We need to find the one that comes right after it. So when you get here, just like in reading, you go down and to the left. That's the number 21. Can you say 21? Good. 21 is 1 more than 17. So I'm going to write it here in this box. Remember, when you find a number that's 1 more, you look 1 after that number. we are going to try a more difficult one. The next one says to find the 10 more than 8. Whoa! So to find 10 more, you have to find 8 and then jump straight down. So here's the number 8, boys and girls. When I jump straight down, what number do you see? Turn and tell your neighbor, what number is 10 more than 8? Jadiel, you have your hand up. What number is 10 more than 8? That's right, Jadiel, 18. Can you say 18? When I'm right here at 8, I jump down to find 10 more. That's 18. Now we are going to find 10 less than 19. Look at the hundreds chart. Can you find the number 19? Where's the number 19, boys and girls? There it is. To find 10 less, we have to jump up or backwards. Okay, here's the number 19. Jump up. And you see what number? That's right. I hear lots of boys and girls saying they see the number 9. Can you say 9? Good. Let me show you one more time. Here's the number 19. We have to find 10 less than 19. So we jump up, and that's the number 9. We'll write the number 9 here in the pink box. Good. Now it's your turn to try. Let me read you the directions. Okay, remember when you see the yellow star, it's your turn. We're going to put one of these rainbow stars on a number that begins with 3. So over to the left, you can move your screen over and you will see some rainbows. Let me move you back. Do you see these rainbow stars? Good. You're going to put a rainbow star on any number that begins with 3. Okay, let's do one together. I see the number 3. Do you see any more numbers on your hundreds chart that begins with 3? Someone said 31. You'll look with your eyes to find a number that begins with 3 and then move your star onto it. Here, you'll put a smiley face on numbers you say when you count by 10. So when you say 10, 20, 30, you will use one of these smiley faces to move on those numbers. Finally, you will use these hearts over here to put on the numbers that are teens. Remember, a few weeks ago, we practiced our teen numbers. They begin with a 1, like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So, teen numbers get a heart on them like this. Okay, smiley faces are the numbers you count by tens with. 10, 20, such and such. Remember, you'll do this page with a star on it. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, remember you will answer these questions on the next slide. I can explore the hundreds chart. That was our objective. Today we practiced identifying numbers that were 1 more and 1 less. We even practiced finding numbers that are 10 more and 10 less. Were you able to identify those numbers on your hundreds chart? Thumbs up or thumbs down? If you have a thumbs down, don't worry, we'll get more time to practice when you come back to school. Were you able to answer these big idea questions? Like, what did you notice about numbers when you go left or when you go right? Did the numbers get bigger or smaller? And can you count on from any number? For example, let's go back. If I say, can you start at 5 and keep counting on? 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you do that when you use a hundreds chart? Oops. What? You will answer those questions here in pink, or have someone at home help you answer those questions. Okay, let's do a little bit of self-reflection. That means that you think in your head. Do you see a pattern of numbers on the hundreds chart? And can you locate numbers when you use the hundreds chart? Think, am I able to use the hundreds chart as a tool? If you think, yes, I got this, show me a 1. If you think, I need some more practice, show me a 2. If you think, I was really lost, show me a 3. Wow, I see lots of 1s and 2s, but I do see a few 3s. That's okay, we'll keep practicing. Don't give up. You're being really brave just for trying. Boys and girls, that's the end of our lesson. Remember in Canvas to click on the gray box so that you can do your objective of moving those stars and smiley faces and hearts over where they need to be. Boys and girls, I want you to kiss your brain and give yourself a hug because you worked really hard today. I'll see you next time in Reading, Math, or OG. Bye, friends. Can't wait to see you later.